here we are. New Kingston, New Kingston. One more delivery. And she's making her way to us. But we thought she walk like model, so. So you walk like you're a model, so.
Because I am.
You are.
I am. I do this part-time.
You did part-time.
Yeah.
Pretty face. I'm done.
Hi, Dan. I'm Alia.
Pleasure. Pleasure is all mine. I like the piercing. I got your package.
I appreciate this.
I should keep it? Oh, yeah, I appreciate it.
this because you all come to meet a loyal customer. I love this. Love this.
You like the passion? I love it.
Love this.
You like it. All right, good, good. I see you're, as you say, a loyal customer, and we really appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts and the top of it as well, and the in between of it. Just to make sure you don't miss any part of it. Really appreciate it. And we like that. We know you're referring people to us. We really appreciate that as well. I want you to big up yourself for this year, any new venture that you're off to. We wish you all the best.
Yeah, and I like the promo cards that you're
You got the promo cards?
sending.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Can't wait to start using.
So you're hoarding them for a good rainy day.
What do you mean?
It's a smart one. She's hoarding them for a rainy day.
Wait till I start coming in with my $100 two bills, you know? I have
What?
to kill me, custom skill me. I
Okay.
need them.
Okay. Alright. I see you. I see you. But anyway, we're not gonna keep you from work. Understand that you gotta do what you gotta do. Money got to be made. Big up yourself. Here you have it. She's a loyal customer. She's at work. Today's Saturday. I guess we're loyal as well, right?
Yeah, because y'all work right through the day. Thank you so much for all your hard work.
So like you want to say
Anytime of the
something to
day.
my audience. Say something nice.
Look how far them come. I'm
Yeah.
a workplace
We got it.
like every day, every time.
Alright. So there you go. Have a good one. Big up yourself.
You too, bye.
So this is how we do it on the delivery trail. We're always there for our customers. We're here to please. We're here to please you in particular. Have a good day. Peace out.